Hi everyone, welcome back to the adventures of SCEF and
Ami Santha.
Woo! Today we are in the park, Sai Champ Park. Right? Yeah, Sai Champ
We
Park.
out here getting our
Walk
walk on.
on.
Yeah.
And today a little bit cold, yeah, Sayangku.
It's
Right?
okay.
You know, but for me it's cold, but for you it's chill.
Yeah. You
Yeah.
gotta have your jacket on,
Yeah.
that's for sure.
Yeah, you know, and today not many people walk, but some children exercise over there, Sayangku, yeah.
Yep, that's what they do.
Yeah,
Play
yeah,
and
play.
get their swing on, get their
Yeah.
slide on, exercise.
Yeah,
you
but-
know, they got so much energy.
Yeah, and this trail a little bit different, yeah, Sayangku.
Yeah.
A little bit more to nature or something. And these parks, you know, the facility a little bit better, right? They provide the water.
Yeah, they got the water fountains out here.
Yeah, and this is I think the first park that provide water like that, ya Sayangku. What do you think? So, meaning we can drink or what?
Yeah, if you want.
So, like
For your dogs or whatever.
Oh, okay. No need to worry, no need to worry, no need to worry today. No need to worry, no need to worry, no need to worry today. No need to worry, no need to worry.
So here we are, SCEF and Ami Santha, and y'all know what we doing.
Yeah.
You can see by the movement.
Woo-hoo,
And this
walking.
weekend
Yeah.
has been a long weekend for us. We did the 2K walk
Yeah.
with the Rockets, Houston Rockets, Toyota Center, downtown Houston.
Yeah. And then, Sayangku,
And we've been moving around and just moving our legs.
yeah, and to stay healthy, yeah, Sayangku.
That's what we do.
Yeah.
And we appreciate y'all for support, and let's do it.
Woo!
Like, you can't get lost out here.
Mm.
The road is right there, you know?
Walking like this really make me different, Sayangku.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. I feel like happier. Worry, no need to worry, no need to worry today. No need to worry, no need to worry, no need to worry today. I feel the water.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, to my face. Wow. Sayangku, already a quarter mile. Congratulations, my love.
We're at a quarter mile, and everything looks good. Ami, are you cold?
Ooh, yeah, I'm cold.
Why are you cold today?
Yeah, I'm cold. You know, I think this is like 30 something.
Okay.
Maybe for you not cold, Sayangku. But I'm not from America, you know?
Yeah, that's an Indonesian thing.
Yeah, Indonesia never cold, Sayangku. Every day hot.
Yeah, SCEF and Ami Santha, and we're out in the park. And hopefully soon we'll get to travel to other places
Ooh.
outside of the city,
You mean other countries?
other states, other countries,
Wow, Bali.
and do our adventures. Y'all stay tuned for that,
Yeah.
and let's go.
Sometimes we worry for small things in life. Sometimes we worry too much. Sometimes we forget the promise of the Lord. He never leave you alone. No need to worry, no need to worry, no need to worry
Wow, there's so many parks in Houston. We've only hit just a few parks.
Yeah. And wow, thank you. Actually, this park we have to turn to the left. Over there. No other choice, thank you.
This is just a small city park, but it's all good because it gives us a chance to walk
and work
and
out.
see other people in a different neighborhood.
And,
So it's all good.
and thank you. On the weekend, so many people walk, yeah. So happy to see that.
Yeah, so many people walk on the weekends,
I think Saturday, Sunday, right?
Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah. But
It's a
on
major time for people to get their walk on. Are you tired already?
No, I'm quite thankful like you.
Okay. Ami Santha says she's kuwat. That's what she says.
I'm quite.
Okay.
How about you? Are you quite?
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course I'm kuwat.
Thankful.
I always get my rest. I always take a nap during the day. Taking a nap during the day is very important.
Yeah.
I'm telling all of y'all out there,
But
taking a nap 15 minutes or 30 minutes is very important for you during the day. Some people don't agree with me on that, but that's okay. Taking a nap
that's just
is
habits.
very
actually.
fine.
Yeah, that's just
to do.
habits actually. Yeah, not many people do that.
Is this too long for you?
No. Thankful even 2K I can finish.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Well, you were sleeping in yak today.
Every day I sleep in Nyak.
Today you were really sleeping in yak.
Yesterday, last night I slept in Nyak.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I did not wake up in the middle of the night. Sometimes I woke up in the middle of the night, thankful.
Well, I'm a type of person, you know how I sleep. I sleep a little bit. Sometimes I wake up and go back to sleep, or I'll get a little rest during the day and I go back to sleep.
Yeah.
You know how I do.
Yeah. Yeah, you easy to sleep as thankful.
Easy to sleep.
Sometimes as thankful, yeah.
Easy to sleep.
You easy to sleep because you don't worry.
Easy to sleep. No
Thankful.
need to worry.
Thankful because
Don't need to worry. What's
you-
gonna happen is gonna happen.
you don't worry about tomorrow, thankful. That's why you sleep so easy. But sometimes,
Yeah, no need to worry, because there are a lot of things in life that happens out of your control.
yeah.
And what can you do? Pray. Stay prayed up, as they say.
Yeah. Yeah, some people worry too much, thankful, like me.
No need to worry. I'll tell you that all the time.
Yeah.
Why you gonna worry?
Even God says, no, don't worry about tomorrow, thankful. Yeah. But sometimes we worry, thankful. That's why some people they cannot sleep like you. You are so lucky, thankful. Not worry.
No need to worry. I've just made this song up. No need to worry today.
Oh, like that.
I say no need to worry. No need to worry. No need to worry today.
Oh, like that. Only no need to worry, yes.
No need.
Also, no need to worry. No need to worry. No need to worry today. Like that? No need to worry. No need to worry. No need to worry today. Like that?
Yep, that's it.
Like
No
that.
need to worry.
Sayangku, your song so beautiful.
No, I was just lip syncing your talented voice.
Wow, that's nice, sayangku. No need to worry today.
No need to worry. No need to worry. No need to worry today. I say no need to worry. No need to worry. No need to worry today.
Sometimes we worry for small things in life. Sometimes we worry too much. Sometimes we forget the promise of the Lord. Never leave you alone. No need to worry. No need to worry. No need to worry
Hai
today.
teman-teman, hari Minggu biasanya acara bersama dengan keluarga kan, tamasya atau misalnya mengunjungi kebun binatang, acara keluarga, waktu untuk keluarga. Nah mungkin bisa dipakai nih untuk jalan bareng. Nah seperti saya sama suami saya bisa dipakai untuk olahraga bareng, quality time bersama keluarga, bersama suami, bersama anak-anak. Mungkin bisa menjadi ide yang baik, ide yang baru untuk mengisi waktu bersama di akhir minggu. Selamat mencoba.
The promise of the